Hotel and Saloon would proudly like to present those sweet, sweet girls of the West. The girls who can whirl and twirl are brand new Can Cutie. Put that back. Put that back. Yeah, that's a lot better. You'll be our mysterious girl. And oh my goodness, look at you. You are as cute as a button. Oh my goodness, can I see one of those kicks? Oh. Wow. Wow, I really like you two. You girls have so much spunk. You know, I can use you two. You two are hired. Do we get a vacation? You know what? I can give you something better than that. I have no more room for you two, so go ahead and pack up your bags and find a new job. Bye.